What's up, everybody? It's your boy Drone X Factor. I am out the house. The weather's decent. It's almost like 40 degrees. At least it feels like it. I feel like crap, but the good news is my wife does feel better. I guess she kind of passed the torch to me. Today, I want to talk about flight modes. I take Mavic Air up and run this cinematic flight mode through with you guys. Bam! There it is, right there. See that church? See where I am? Let's get near that church and let's run through cinematic flight mode for the DJI Mavic Air. We're also going to fly in auto mode, nothing fancy, nothing crazy. More importantly than getting the right camera settings is just getting the shot. Doesn't matter what camera you have, what settings you have, if you can't fly to get the shot you want. So the whole idea of this video is to make sure that you're equipped to get the moves, cleanest, smoothest looking shots, and then we'll help you set up the camera. Alright? Let's go up in the air. Still in opti mode. That's unusual. That's it, waiting for GPS. Somehow I'm only getting 6 satellites around here, which is unusual. Now that's weird. 6 satellites, 97%. While my battery is going down, I'm still waiting to get satellites. What's up with satellites today, man? Now I'm down to 4. 4 satellites. 6. Want to talk about weird? Now this is weird. 5. The satellites are going down instead of up. I'm pretty sure if I bring out my daily drone right now, I'm gonna get more than 6 satellites. I'm just saying. Whoop, 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 whoop. Here we go, here we go. 8, 9, whoa, 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 8, 9, ready to go. Unpaved airports, flight caution. Here we go, 9, 8, 9, hovering between 8 and 9. Here we go. There we go, back down to 7. Mavic Air Pro is definitely doing a better job. There's no questions about that. As you can see, GPS is ready to go, even with 7 satellites. So, not your ideal situation, but it is what it is. One cool thing I will say right now is that I can swivel this in my pocket, zip it up, and go walking, which is pretty awesome. So, yeah, don't need this backpack in the back here. Controller in one pocket, drone in the other. That is pretty cool. I feel pretty travel ready, and I actually don't mind the walk. Wow. Yeah, man, run across the street with your kids while the light says red. Just Coons Boulevard. That is pretty smart, dude. Right in front of my point of interest. Doesn't get better than this. And I know that I've got to get satellites around here. I just have to get satellites. I know it.
Johnny, Dosselty, Nickety, Nackety, Rustic, Quality, Willity, Wallity.
Let's see what the drone satellites have for us.
She took legs and ran away. Whistle-tee, rustle-tee, hey Johnny, dossel-tee, nickel-tee, knacker-tee, rustical quality, willow-tee, wallet-tee, now, now.
I have 8 satellites already, guys. This is totally freaking awesome.
Whistle-tee, rustle-tee, hey Johnny, dossel-tee, nickel-tee, knacker-tee, rustical quality, willow-tee, wallet-tee, now, now, now. I asked my wife. She gave me my hat and she showed me the door. Whistle-tee, rustle-tee, hey Johnny, dossel-tee, nickel-tee, knacker-tee, rustical quality, now, now, now.
Alright. I'm gonna turn my camera off. Camera up. Wow. Are some birds like flying across me or something? Am I like seeing right? Wow. Is that like a fly? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What? Here they go. Here they are. From the birds. You see them? Wow.